Hi everyone. I thought that, oops, I've got a bit of crumb on my camera. That's gone. Harriet, as you can see, she's settling down for the night. She's got her pink blanket to lie on because this one, Laura Ashley one, she's not too keen on. I guess it's not soft enough for her. So she's all comfortable. She's had a TREATS, and she's been very sleepy today. It's been one of those slow days. We had, what day are we on? I don't even know what day we're on. Wednesday, are we? I don't know. I'm all confused this week. We had the plumber out to change the taps on two of the bathroom sinks that were playing up, and he had a look at the other main plumbing work that needs doing, and he said it's not as big a job as the other plumber was making it out to be. So who do you believe? He says it's not worth my going through the insurance if I've got to pay the £750 excess anyway. It's not going to be worth my while going through all the rigmarole of the insurance. And he said he'll do it. Now, he's a qualified plumber, and my only problem is he right? And that it doesn't mean as big a job. If it's true, then I will do a happy dance, because it's going to mean that there's not so much disruption for Miss Harriet Audrey Hepburn. What are you looking at? You're looking at shadows. I've got two of her nails that need to be clipped. Just two that I didn't miss the other day, but she was a bit tender. I don't know. She seemed a bit tender, so I wasn't going to upset her. I don't want to get to the point of hating me coming at her with the clipping shears. She's staring at the clock. She's staring. At the pendulum. You're staring at the pendulum, aren't you? You're such a silly girl. So it's been a rainy day. It's been horrible, dark. There's been no sunshine whatsoever. And although Madam has been sleeping on a window seat, there's been no sun. And she's on the bed for the night now. She's here for the duration. Because we love each other, don't we? We do. We love each other. Yes, we do. I might get a wand out later and we'll have a game. We'll see. See how you feel. I've got an appointment at the hospital first thing on Friday. Going down my throat again to see what they can see, and I'm not looking forward to that. I'm not looking forward to the barium swallow. I've had one before and it was unpleasant, you know. So we're going there on first thing on Friday, and then we'll see what's what. So you're going to be on your own for a bit Friday morning, because I think we're going up to the cemetery afterwards, if I'm okay. I haven't been for a while. And I need to take out some flowers. Look at her beautiful face. She's such a gorgeous cat, she really is. And I don't think that that little face there, that little kitten face, is ever going to change. Oh my gosh, did you hear that wind? That was loud, wasn't it? Think of all the poor little kitties outside in this. And here's you all snuggled up. She's even got those two cushions because the rabbit cushion and the other cushion that she took a real liking to, because she can use them as scratch pads. She's just a spoiled kitty cat. That's all she is, spoiled. Harriet, are you a spoiled girl? You spoiled? Does Mummy spoil you? Well, you should be spoiled. Yes. You should. We haven't got many toys out. You've got the sloth. We've got your interactive game. Got a couple of things over there, your kick toys. But you haven't been bothering me much today. Have you? I think we've both been on the go slow. Harriet and Mummy. Haven't we? But we've got to be up with the lark tomorrow. And we've got to be up with the lark on Friday. She should. She makes me laugh. She really does. She pretends. Harriet, you pretend that you're not listening, and I know that you are. You're listening to every word I say. And you're thinking, Mum, will you be quiet? I'm trying to get my beauty sleep. It's the wind, Harriet. It's really, really windy, darling. I'll move that off the bed for you in a minute. Move it out your way. I like to make her work for a treat. It doesn't take her long. And she's got downstairs, she's got one of those a little snuffle rug, really colourful, and you can just put 6 or 7 treats in the fold of that, and she'll go after them there as well. And then she's got another interactive toy that's got all sorts of things on it, and we haven't had that out for a while. We need to use that one. No, I don't think there's any more. I think you've Oh, there was one she'd forgotten. I beg your pardon. Any more? Is there any more? I don't think so. I think that was probably the last one. Harriet, I don't think there's anything else in there. Really don't. Okay, that's it. Ablutions time. We'll speak to you all tomorrow. Do a proper video tomorrow. Say bye-bye, Harriet. Say bye-bye. Oh, she's going up on her window, up with Tweety Pie. It gets nice and warm up there because the heat from the radiator. And of course, I tend really just to cover her once she's asleep, to cover her with a sweater, one of her sweaters, so she stays warm. You're staying up there now? Madam? I guess she is. Harriet! Harriet! Woo! No, that's it. That's all we're going to get tonight. I'll speak to you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.